Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to check out this super short video. This is going to be a super short review of a new product that I decided to try out today, and that is a product called Nature's Blessing. But before we jump into that, you guys are just going to rock with me as I style my hair for today. I will be using the product to create the hairstyle that I am doing. As you guys can see, my hair is tapered again, and I just love more hair at the top. This is freshly washed hair that you see here, so I am just pretty much just kind of giving myself a thorough detangle or comb out. So this is the Nature's Blessing. This is considered to be a pomade, and if you're old school like me, we just consider this to be a hair grease. This product mainly is to condition your hair, to restore your hair, to rebuild your hair, which I absolutely love it. The ingredients are pretty simple. You have nettle, rosemary, sage, peppermint, thyme, alfalfa, pure virgin olive oil, pure coconut oil, sage oil, rosemary oil, bergamot oil, chlorophyll, pure mineral jelly, natural fragrance, and good intention. That's what it has on the back of the bottle. This is what the product looks like. It's green, you guys, and it smells absolutely wonderful. In my opinion, it has more of that natural, earthy type scent to it. And if you have medium to fine strands like I do, I definitely believe that this hair grease is just the perfect texture. It's not that real thick, heavy grease that you're used to from back in the day when your parents used to press your hair. This particular grease, a little bit goes a long way, and it's just still not that real thick jelly. It definitely melts into your hands. It melts into your strands. Excuse me, I absolutely love it. So as you guys can see, that I'm just going in and I'm just doing some twists all over the top of my head here. 2-strand twists, nothing major about it. You guys, going back to this product, the bottle or the jar is a 4-ounce jar. It's not that big at all. It is in a glass container, which I absolutely love. It is not plastic. It is actual glass, and it has a slight little weight to it. Not so heavy that you can't hold it with one hand, but it just feels like more of a quality jar that it's in, and I can really appreciate that. You guys, again, a little bit goes a long way. You can kind of see how much of this product that I am applying to each strand. So again, a little bit goes a long way. As far as I'm concerned, I have gotten a lot of bang for my buck because I don't have to apply a lot of this product. So I foresee myself having this jar for quite a while. I won't have to run and purchase more of this no time soon. Now, if you have more thicker and coarser hair, your hair may require a little bit more than the amount that I've applied to each one of my twists here, but absolutely like it. You guys, I did purchase this product from online. I purchased it from Amazon, and you guys, I'm not paid to do this. It's just that I wanted to try something new. I had been eyeballing this product for a while, so I finally decided to go ahead and pull out the wallet and purchase this product. The price currently runs about $7 and change, but you know how that is. You know, something that becomes popular on Amazon, the price can definitely fluctuate. So as of now, as of June, right now, a 4-ounce pack of one runs you about $7 and some change. And you guys, I like how this particular hair grease just don't sit on my hair, you guys. It just don't sit. It's actually melting through into my strands, which that is what I was going for. I'm really hoping to see some positive results from using this particular hair grease. I really hope to see some positive results. By the way, Nature Blessings does not only just have this particular pomade. I think they also have it in the castor oil version and I believe that there may be one other one. I think they call it just a hair food. So as far as I know, they just have these three, or these are the only three that I've seen on Amazon thus far. But really, really do enjoy it. I think you two would probably like it as well. If I recall correct, this particular one says that it is for all hair types. And again, that's what is stating under top highlights here on Amazon. It says hair type all, so assume that it is for all hair types. It says the item form is clay, but this I don't know, maybe my definition of a clay is something totally different. This product is an actual hair grease, in my personal opinion, but I like it. I have nothing bad to say about it. Again, the scent isn't strong. It does have a scent, but over time it does fade away. Y'all, I absolutely like this product so far. This is an initial review. I'll continue to bring you guys along the journey with me as I continue to use this product. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you two in the next one. Smooches.